Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Corn token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. They are on research for the investing. According to the white paper, Corn is a blockchain network designed as a global infrastructure for fast zero fee stablecoin payments and financial applications. For purpose, it aims to make stablecoin transfers instant and free, functioning like digital money infrastructure rather than a typical DeFi chain. Technical foundation built as a high performance layer 2 using Arbitrum Orbit's technology stack and secured by layer 0 for cross chain messaging. Strategic evolution: the project transitioned from its initial focus as a Bitcoin layer 2 BTC L2 to a payments centric network powered by Tether's USDT. Corn project institution rating is 4.4. Corn token total supply is 2.1 billion and circulating supply is around 525 million. Corn token is listed on Bybit, Gate.io, MEXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.